For under $4 worth of material, turn rotten wood into this. I removed all the rotten wood and allowed the wood to thoroughly dry out. I taped a piece of cardboard to the underside of the rail so that the putty doesn't fall through the cracks. At this time, a 1-pound can of Durham's water putty costs $3.88 and makes about 1 1/3 cups of filler. Durham's is plaster of Paris with dextrin. If used outdoors, keep it covered with paint. Or put a layer of 100% silicone over it to keep the water out. If the patch can't be sealed with paint, then auto body filler is a better choice for outdoor use. The mix by weight is about 3 parts of the Durham's to 1 part water. I've looked at several kinds of wood fillers and epoxies. Most of them are not for structural use. For example, if the bottom of a weight-bearing porch post is rotting, this is the wrong material for that kind of repair. Not only are there no VOCs in Durham's, but the thickness can be controlled by the amount of water added. I'm fighting gravity, so I'll make it thick. I've never tried it. However, some people substitute wood glue for water. Durham's recommends filling large holes in 1/4 inch layers, letting each layer dry before adding a new one. I filled half the cavity, waited about a week, and then filled the bottom of the cavity. I waited another week and then sanded and painted it. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, know how now to find other videos, and thanks for watching.